Good morning, children. Today we will start our class. We'll continue our class knowing numbers. Last class we learned about numbers and how to write numbers in ascending order, descending order, how to make digits, how to make numbers using digits. Also you have learned. Today we are going to learn how to read numbers, how to read large numbers. So I am going to write a number here: 3, 2, 8, 7, 2, 6, 3. Can you read this number? How can we read this number? So before that, this is the total area of our country, area of India. Total area of our country. So can you read this number? How we can read? We can read this number. There are two system of reading numbers. First one is Indian system. Indian system. Indian system. And second one is international system. So first we learn Indian system of numeration, how to read numbers using Indian system of numeration. So go back to the number again: 3, 2, 8, 7, 2, 6, 3. How to read this number? To read this number in Indian system, you start from the right and count number 1, 2, 3 and put a comma there. 1, 2, again put a comma there. Here what we are doing is we divide the number into periods, and the first period is ones, and the second is thousands, and the third is lakh. So when you reach this comma, you can say thousand. When you reach this comma, you can say lakh. So start reading 32 lakh. When you reach the comma, say lakh. 32 lakh 87,263. So what is the area of our country? 32 lakh 87,263. Clear? Okay. Next, now we all of you know that now we are suffering from a disease, corona. So we can check the number of people, how many people affected by corona in the world. See, let's see here. I am going to write number 7031377. This is the number of people affected corona. So can we read this number? How we can read? Start from the right. 1, 2, 3 put a comma, 1, 2 put a comma, and when you reach the first comma, what you say? 1000. You can say 1000. When you reach this comma, you can say lakh. So how many lakh? 70 lakh 31,377 people affected corona in the world. How many? Read again. Repeat with me. 70 lakh 31,377 people affected corona in the world. Next, do you know how many people recovered from the disease? Let's see the number. 870. Start reading. Start from the right. 1, 2, 3 put comma, 1, 2 put comma. When you reach first comma, say 1000. When you reach here second comma, say lakh. Read the number. 34 lakh 36,870 people recovered from the disease. How many affected? 70 lakh 31,377 affected. Out of that, 34 lakh 36,870 recovered. Next, I am going to write the number of people affected in India. In how many people affected in India? So start reading. Put a comma first. First comma where? Here. And second comma here. Now when you reach the first comma, you say 1000. And when you reach the second comma, you say lakh. You say lakh. So how many people affected in India? 1,26,000 34 people affected in India. So this is the system of reading, Indian system of reading numbers. So do you know the population of India? I'm going to write number here, 138004385. This is the population of India. Can we read this number? Okay, start. Put comma, second comma where? Here, third comma here. Here 3 commas are there. Before we have done only 2 commas. Okay, let's start. First comma you say 1000, and second lakh, and third comma when you reach here you can read crore. What you read? Crore. Okay, so let's start reading. How many people lives in India? 13 crore 80 lakh 4385. 13 crore 80 lakh 4385 people live in India. So this is the system of reading, Indian system of reading. Indian system. I think now all of you can read numbers. Indian system of reading. Indian system of reading. Okay.